वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वर Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, now we can hear it.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we
You can
can
hear Sharanji.
Can you see my screen?
Not yet.
Okay. You know what happened? Just a minute. Let me check.
We hear the background music of the peacocks and everything.
Background. No. Peacocks are there.
No, when we were wondering what happened to you, but we hear them. That's what I'm saying when you're not
Oh.
there earlier.
Okay. I'm not able to share my screen. Just give me a minute. I will try. Yeah. Yes. Now can you see my screen?
Yes, Sharanji.
Yes, Sharanji.
Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai तेजस्विनावधेतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। You can repeat. अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम्
असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवत्
विश्वतो मुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अय्युन्
अय्युन्
ऋलक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐऔच्
ऐऔच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लण्
लण्
न्यममण्डनम्
यमगणनम्
जभै
जबै
खडदश्
खडदश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
कपचठथ चटतौ
छटतौ
कपै
पै
कषसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
येषाणां तालु
येषाणां तालु
पुरुषाणां मूर्धा
रसानां मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानामोष्टौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
यमगणनां नासिका च
नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोः कण्ठौष्टम्
कण्ठौष्टम्
कारस्य दन्तौष्टम्
कारस्य दन्तौष्टम्
क्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
क्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो
राजमणिः सदा विजयते
रामं
रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभ्यता निशाचरचमो रामाय तस्मै नमः
विहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
मे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
मे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
सिप्तस्झि सिप्तस्थ
Siptastha.
Vasmas.
Vasmas.
Atam jha.
Atam cha.
As atam dvam.
Atam dvam.
It vahi mahing.
Vahi mahing.
Ti taha anti.
Taha anti.
Ti taha tha.
Si taha tha.
I vaha maha.
Vaha maha.
Te ate ante.
Te ate ante.
Se ate dve.
Te dve.
Ye vahe mahe.
Ye vahe mahe.
Bhavati bhavataha bhavanti.
Vati bhavataha bhavanti.
Vasi bhavataha bhavatha.
Bhavasi bhavataha bhavata.
Bhavami bhavavaha bhavamaha.
Bhavami bhavaha bhavamaha.
Te labhete labhante.
Labate labhete labante.
Labase labhete labhadve.
Labase labete labadve.
Labhe labhavahe labhamahe.
Labe labavahe labavahe.
Karoti kurutaha kurvanti.
Karoti kurutaha kurvanti.
Karoshi kurutaha kurutha.
Koshi kurutaha kuruta.
Karomi kuruvaha kuruvaha.
Karomi kurvaha kurvaha.
Kurute kurvate kurvate.
Kurute kurvate.
Kurushe kurvate kurudve.
Kurushe kurvate kurudve.
Kurve kurvahe kurmahe.
Kurve kurvahe kurmahe.
Akara tam an.
Tam an.
Sakara tam ta.
Sakara tam ta.
Am va ma.
Ma.
Ta atam anta.
Atam anta.
Aha atam dvam.
Atam dvam.
I vahi mahi.
Vahi mahi.
Abhavat abhavatam abhavan.
Abhavat abhavatam abhavan.
Abhaha abhavatam abhavata.
Abhavaha vatam abhavata.
Abhavava abhavama.
Abhavam abhavava abhavama.
Alabata alabhetam alabhanta.
Alabata alabetam alabanta.
Aha alabhetam alabadvam.
Alabataha tam alabadvam.
Alabhe alabhavahi alabhamahi.
Alabavahi alabamahi.
Akarot akurutam akurvan.
Akarot akurutam akurvan.
Roho akurutam akuruta.
Akaroho akurutam akuruta.
Karavam akurva akurma.
akaravam, akurva, akurma,
akurvatam, akurvata,
akuruta, akurvatam, akurvata,
akuruthaha, akurvatham, akurudvam,
akurutaha, akurvatham, akurudvam,
akurvi, akurvahi, akurmahi,
kurvi, kurvahi, akurmahi,
sti staha santi,
asti staha santi,
asi staha stha,
asi staha stha,
asmi swaha smaha,
swaha smaha,
asit astam asan,
asit
Astam
astam asan,
sihi astam asta,
asihi astam asta,
sam swa asma,
asam asva asma.
You have to type your name again in the chat box. Disappeared because of power went in between. You can repeat after me the Subhashitam. Akaradeva niryanti
Akaradeva niryanti
samastanyaksharaani cha
samastanyasharani cha
charachara prapanchoyam
Charachara prapanchoyam
Ishvara jayate. That va is missing. Ishvara deva jayate.
Ishvara deva jayate.
Now we have to split the words, understand the individual words. How do you do? By Sandhi Vicheda. First we have to do. And then fixing the vibhakti. Then arranging the sentences, arrange the words in the form of a Akara Deva. How do you spell this? Akara Deva. Anybody? Akara Deva.
Akarat eva eva
Deva.
Akarat Eva, not Deva.
Deva.
What sandhi is it? Akarat and Eva.
Melanam. Oh, just for some.
No.
Akarad Eva Melanam. But Akarat was there before. What is its Pratipadikam?
Just the sandhi. Takara.
What is the Pratipadikam of Akarat?
Akara.
Akara.
Akara is a Shabda, like Rama Shabda. So Ramat, Akarat. Akarat plus Eva, Akarad plus Eva, then Akaradeva. Akarat plus Eva, the Takara is a Padam, Padanta, Jal will be replaced by Jash. So Akarad, then Akarad plus Eva, Melanam. Akarad Eva. So Akarat is Panchami. Right? Eva is Avyaya. Niryanti, Yadatu, with near Upasarga Niryanti. It means that emerges, comes out. Niryanti. What Purusha, what Vachanam?
Prathama Purusha
Bahuvachana.
So, Purusha Bahuvachanam. Then the next quarter, Samastan Yaksharani cha. How do you split this?
Samastani aksharani.
Ani aksharani cha.
Samastani plus Aksharani. What sandhi?
Yan sandhi.
Yan sandhi.
Yen sandhi. Samastani Aksharani. Akilani Aksharani. Samastani means entire. Samastani Aksharani. Okay. What vibhakti? Now, Samastani plus Aksharani. Samastani is one padam. Aksharani is another padam. Yen sandhi. So Samastani Aksharani. Even though sandhi has happened, they are separate padams only. Okay. Not one padam. Samastani is one padam, Aksharani is one padam. Now, what is the vibhakti of Samastani and Aksharani? We have to find out.
Dvitiya Vibhakti,
Why Dvitiya?
because
If it is Dvitiya, Niryanti is who is a subject for Niryanti. Niryanti means images comes out.
oh, okay.
So subject for Niryanti is
Subjective complement of
no. Why subjective complement? I'm asking who is a karta, which is in Prathama Vibhakti. Subjective complement.
No, so
Aksharani Niryanti. That's all. Aksharani Niryanti. Aksharas, the letters, emerge. Entire Aksharas, all the letters, Niryanti, comes out. From what? Akarat eva. From the Akshara only, all the letters have come out, emerged. So, Samastani is adjective to Aksharani. Aksharani is the subject, is a karta. Aksharani Niryanti. Samastani Aksharani Niryanti. Apadana. Therefore, Apadana. Akarat eva Samastani Aksharani Niryanti. Clear? The first line.
yes.
Then we say, take the Kriya Padam, we have to find the subject. The subject is maybe a karta or just maybe a subject. That which is subject will be in Prathama Vibhakti. Whether you call it subject or karta doesn't matter. Sometimes that will be in Prathama Vibhakti, but there is no really action, physical action. Asti is a Ramaha Asti. So Ramaha is a karta. But what karma he does? Rama is. So subject is Rama. That is why I use the word subject. You can say karta also, nothing wrong in that.
Saranji,
Yes.
Samastam is this one. It's from Samastam. Is it Namskalingam or?
Samastani is, it must be Napumsakalinga only. Samasta is the Pratipadika. Samastam, Samaste, Samastani.
So we can use it now. Namskalingam as Bahuvachanam.
Yeah, Bhagavachanam. Samastani, Bhagavachanam. Why Bhagavachanam? Because Aksharani is there, therefore Samastani. Aksharam, Akshare, Aksharani. Akarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Akshara Shabdaha. Aksharani Niryanti. Samastani Aksharani Niryanti. Apadana is Akarat from the Akshara. Therefore, Samastani Aksharani Akarat Eva Niryanti.
Subjective complement.
And why subjective complement? What is the need for subjective complement? Why do you confuse with subjective complement here? You tell me where is subjective complement here?
You only adjective or subject or?
Samastani is adjective, Aksharani. That's all. Why subjective complement?
Okay, sir.
Subjective complement, I think I got confused with that. Subjective complement between subject and subjective complement, that will be separated by a verb, a simple verb, is, was, were, and all. Rama is good. Rama is my son. That is subjective complement. Rama is a son. Ramaha putraha asti. That's all. Putraha is subjective complement. Here it is not subjective complement. Okay.
Thank you.
Another person also said as the same question. It means there is some confusion is there with subjective complement. We will see. I give this example. Narasya Abharanam Rupam. There it was very clear. Narasya Abharanam Rupam. So Abharanam Rupam. Narasya Abharanam Rupam. There it is. I said Abharanam Rupam is a subjective complement. Form is the Abharanam of the Nara, the human beings. There it is. Rupam is one. And Abharanam also one. But form and the Abharanam, they don't have the substantive adjective relationship. They are subjective complement. Previous Subhashita. The previous Subhashita, we saw that Narasya Abharanam Rupam. So Abharanam Rupam, Abharanam Abhushanam. Abhushanam is Rupam is a Abhushanam, Abharanam, ornament. Rupam, narasya abharanam. So form is the ornament of the human beings, man. Okay. Therefore here abharanam is subjective complement and rupam is the subject. One. Rupam narasya abharanam. Gunaha rupasya abharanam. Jnanam gunasya abharanam. Kshama jnanasya abharanam. So between the kshama and the jnanam, it is what is the this is subject and subjective complement. That's all. That is not the case in this word. Samastani aksharani. Samastani is the adjective, the entire, the total. So it is not subjective complement. Is it clear?
Yes, sure.
Still doubt is there? Kshama abharanam. Kshama is the abharanam. Forgiveness is the ornament. Kshama abharanam asti. So kshama is talked about in the sentence. Kshama is the forgiveness. Which is, what is that? It is the ornament. Forgiveness is the ornament. Forgiveness, kshama is subject. Avaranam, subjective complement. That's all.
Understood.
Ornament cannot be the subject, the adjective for kshama. What is the adjective? Adjective means attributes, which describes the subject. It doesn't describe the subject. It is a complement to the subject. That's the difference. If you describe a subject, if you describe the substantive, it will have adjective. Adjective means attribute. It describes the attributes. It will be of same vibhakti, same vachanam, same gender. Even gender-wise also it is not same here. You can see that is one difference. From that you can make out. Kshama, avaranam. Kshama is Strilinga. Avaranam is Pumsakalinga. Subject, subjective complement. That is the difference between adjective, substantive, and subject and subjective complement. Easy way to understand this. You remember the Subhashitam, you will understand. Okay. Then, going back to that Subhashitam. Charachara prapanchovayam Ishvara deva jayate. Kriyapadam is jayate. Jayate, jayate, jayante. Which gana is that? We saw this jayate.
Fourth.
Fourth gana.
Yeah, it is. Jan. Also, we saw what is a dhatu?
G dhatu.
No, G. No. Jan dhatu. Jani. Aupadeshika dhatu is. Aupadeshika dhatu is Jani. Pradurbhave. Jan is, and Jan is the dhatu. Removing the ith letter, Jan you get. You can check the dhatu kosha. You have dhatu kosha with you. Please check. I'm showing you the dhatu kosha here. You can see. Jani pradurbhave. Jani is a dhatu, aupadeshika dhatu. That is dhatu which is ready. Trusty. Can see. Can you see Jani pradurbhave?
Yes, Ji.
That is, Jani is the aupadeshika dhatu. Jan is a dhatu. Therefore, and this Jan, the Jan will become. Jan will become jayate, jayate, jayante. Jayase, jayate, jayante. Jaye, jayavake, jayamahe. So Jan will become ja. When you conjugate, Jan will become ja. Jayate, jayate, jayante. Fourth kana arpanipadi. So that is the kriya padam there. Now, jayate is the kriya padam. What purusha, what vachanam?
Prathama Purusha.
Prathama Purusha ekavachanam.
Prathama purusha ekavachanam. Okay. What jayate? Now who is this? What is the subject? Karta. Ayam jayate.
Ayam jayate.
Ayam has got this Charachara prapanchaha. This prapanchaha. Charachara prapanchaha is one word. Chara plus achara and prapancha, one word samasa. Okay. Chara is that which moves, moving. Achara not moving. Charachara prapancha is one word. Charachara prapanchaha plus ayam. Ayam charachara prapanchaha. This moving and non-moving prapancha, the universe. Jayate. From where?
Ishvarat.
Ishvarat. Ishvarat
Sharat.
is apadana. When to use apadana? What is apadana? That which is the source of birth, the cause of origin. We saw that. Remember? Sangat sanjayate kamaha. Kamat krodho bijayate. There also in Gita, jayate is a krodho bijayate. Krodhat bhavati sammogaha. Sammoghat smriti vibhramaha. Smriti vramshat buddhinashaha. Buddhinashat pranashyati. All these are examples for apadana panchami. So Ishvara is apadana, and therefore Ishvarat panchami vibhakti eva only. So this charachara prapanchaha Ishvarat eva jayate, born only from Ishvara. This is the translation of Tirukural, the first Kural. Agara mudala ezhuthallam.
Ezhuthallam adi.
Okay. So you have to split, mark the vibhakti, and arrange the sentence, arrange the words, a meaningful sentence. That is called anvaya. So now, how do you make the sentence? A sentence already we have done. Samastani aksharani akarat eva niryanti. That is one sentence. Then, ayam charachara prapanchaha ishvarat eva jayate. If you want, you can add yatha tata. Yata samastani aksharani aksharat eva jayate niryanti. Tata eva ayam charachara prapanchaha ishvarat eva jayate. Utpadyate. Right? Now,
Samanji,
yes. Yes.
you are adding yata, that beauty of that heading is going away.
Huh? What is that?
If you are adding yata tada, that beauty of that this one is disappear.
What disappears? I didn't get you. Please tell again.
No, if you are adding yata tada, then that beauty of that sentence goes away. I feel like that.
Beauty of the sentence.
Yeah.
No. It's not as it's only an example. Upamana and Upameya. Therefore, it's a yata tata.
Got
If you don't want, you can remove it, no problem. Your choice. Okay, so you can make it as a separate sentence also, no problem with that. Making that into one sentence, how do you make it? By using yata tata. Only yata tata is possible. Therefore, I added yata, making it into one sentence. In English, we have conjunction. That yata tata plays a role of conjunction here. Okay. Now, you can read number 26, Sundarji. Number 26, for lat and lam and lot and ling. I think we last class we did up to 25 and now 26. Yeah. Yes.
Yach, lat lakara is yachati.
Yeah, tell me, is this
Yachate, right? Or yach?
Which gana yach? Have you seen this? Have you seen this yach?
Seen this earlier.
Yes, which gana is that?
Yach.
There is no yach. It is yach is first gana. First gana ubhayapadi. Aupadeshika dhatu. Okay, let us see that.
Okay.
Aupadeshika dhatu. 1 minute. 1 minute. We can see this. Upadeshika, Dhatu Kosha I'm sharing. Take a Dhatu Kosha and you can see that. You will find this in Yach.
Tuyachran.
Yeah, yes. Tuyachru will be there.
Yeah.
Right? Tuyachru. Upadeshika Dhatu is Tuyachru.
Yachyayam. Yach.
Two is it letter. Adihi, ni, tu, davaha. So two is an it letter. Yesterday class we saw that two is it letter, therefore goes away. Tuyachru. You can see. Tuyachru. Yachaya. Yach.
Where is
First gana
Yeah.
Ubepadi. Therefore Ubepadi. So you can do in both now. Now you can take Parasmapadi and Padi and then Ubepadi later.
Parasmaipati,
Atmanipadi later. Yeah.
Yach.
Yes.
Lat lakara, Yach, Parasmaipati, Yachati, Yachataha, Yachanti, Yachasi, Yachataha, Yachata, Yachami, Chava, Langara, Parasmaipati, Yach Dhatu, Abba, Ayachat, Ayachatam, Ayachan, Ayachaha, Ayachatam, Ayachata. Ayachatam, yes. Then Uttama Purushaha, Ayacham, Ayacham, Ayachava, Ayachama.
Yes.
Lot Lakara, Yash Dhatu Parasmaipati, Yachatu, Yachatam, Yachantu, Yacha, Yachatam, Yachata, Yachani, Yachava, Yachama. Ling Lakara, Yach Dhatu Parasmaipati, Yachet, Yachetam, Yachetyuhu, Yachehe, Yachetam, Yacheta, Yacheyam, Yacheva, Yachema.
Okay.
Lat Lakara,
Atmanipadi. Yeah.
Yach Dhatu, Yachate, Yachete, Yachante, Yachase, Yachethe, Yachadve, Yache, Yachavahe, Yachamahe. Lang Lakara, Yash Dhatu, Atmanepadi, Ayachata, Ayachetam, Ayachanta, Ayachataha,
Ayachataha.
Ayachataha, Ayachetam, Ayachadvam, Ayache, Ayachavahi, Ayachamahi. Lot Lakara, I have not marked it here properly, Sharanji. I think. I don't know whether I have noted down in my notebook also.
Okay.
Lot, no, I think if I see that, it will be helpful. Thank you. Lab, Yachatam, Lot Lakara, Yachatam, Yachetam, Yachantam,
No.
Yachasva,
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Yachetam, Yachadvam, Yachai, Yachavahi, Yachamahi. Ling Lakara, Yacheta, Yacheyatam, Yacheran, Yachetaha, Yacheyatam, Yachedvam, Yache, Yachevahi, Yachemahi.
Yes. Now the next one. Next person. Ganesh, the next dhatu. Chal dhatu, simple one.
Chal dhatu. Chalat.
Chal,
Lat Lakara.
which gana is that chal?
First gana.
No, sixth gana. We saw in the last class also. Rudadi gana.
Chal.
Rudadi gana. Yeah, chal.
Lat Lakara. Chalati, Chalataha, Chalanti. चलसि चलतः चलथ चलामि चलावः चलामः. Then लङ् लकार अचलत् अचलत् अचलताम् अचलन् अचलः अचलतम् अचलत अचलम् अचलाव अचलाम. लोट् लकार चलतु चलतां चलन्तु चल चलतं चलत चलानि चलाव चलाम. लिङ् लकार चलेत् चलेतां चलेयुः चलेः चलेतं चलेत चलेयं चलेव चलेम.
Okay. Next person, Sumati ji. H dhatu.
यच् यच्छति यच्छतः यच्छन्ति यच्छसि यच्छतः यच्छत यच्छामि यच्छावः यच्छामः. This is lat lakara. Then lang lakara is ayachat ayachatam ayachan ayachah ayachatam ayachata ayacham ayachava ayachama. Then lot lakara is ayachet ayachetam I'm sorry, the lot lakara is ayachatu ayachatam.
Lot lakara means no ayachatu. Yachatu, yachatam, yachantu.
Oh, yeah. Yachatu, yachatam, yachantu, yacha, yachatam, yachata, yachani, yachava, yachama. Then ling lakara, yachet, yachetam, yacheyuhu, yachehe, yachetam, yacheta, yacheyam, yacheva, yachema.
Next one, Kameshwari ji.
लट् लकारा शालयति शालयतः शालयन्ति शालयसि शालयतः शालयत शालयामि शालयावः शालयामः. लङ् लकारा अक्षालयत् अक्षालयताम् अक्षालयन् अक्षालयः अक्षालयतम् अक्षालयत अक्षालयम् अक्षालयाव अक्षालयाम. लोट् लकारा क्षालयतु क्षालयताम् क्षालयन्तु क्षालय क्षालयतं क्षालयत क्षालयानि क्षालयाव क्षालयाम. लिङ् लकारा क्षालयेत् क्षालयेतां क्षालयेयुः क्षालयेः क्षालयेतं क्षालयेत क्षालयेयुं क्षालयेव क्षालयेम.
Shalayeyam, shalayeva. Yeah. Okay. That's all 30.2s are given. We have done this. And these things already we have done. So we can skip this. Now, we will do more dhatu from the sixth gana. I'll give some dhatu as homework at the end and try. Some dhatus, special dhatus are also there. So I'll give a list of dhatus. Whatever we have seen in the previous class, in addition to that. So fourth gana, the first dhatu is tud dhatu. So we have seen the derivation. Tud plus sha plus tet. Sha is the gana vikarana pratyaya. Dhatu plus tet, then the gana vikarana walks in. Then gana vikarana being shakara, it is sarvadhatukam, but it is not a pit, therefore it is kit and cannot do any angakarya. So simple addition. Dhatu plus a plus t. Dhatu plus a plus t. A is the content of sha. So whatever you get by adding, that is a form. Simple. Sixth gana is very simple. So 1, 4, 6. First gana we have seen, fourth gana and sixth gana. So Saktagana will give some list of dhatus. You can take that as homework. Some dhatus may be repeating, but still it's okay. At upada dhatu. At upada dhatavaha. At upada dhatavaha means what? That is dhatu whose upada, the penultimate, is short, like this. The example what we saw, the chal. Chal is one dhatu whose upada is so this chal is this is only dhatu, important dhatu in atu upada dhatu. Other so many dhatus are there, those I don't think it is important, so this is enough. Then it upada dhatu, you can note this, you can try in all the lakaras for these dhatus. Then it upada dhatu, lik dhatu, you know the meaning. Lik means akshara vinyase, to write. Lik, likati. What will be the form? Chal we have seen just now. Chalati. Lik is likati. So in all the lakaras, you can try. Then kship also we saw. Kship is prerane. Kship is prerane. Becomes, what is the form? It is ubepadi. Okay. This you can write also. This parasmepadi. If it is parasmepadi, I will write parasmai. And likati also, it is parasmai only. And kshipati is ubeyapadi. So these dhatus you can practice. Kship dhatu. All these are itupada dhatu. For atupada dhatu, chal is only example. Important dhatu, that's why I'm giving that. And for itupada is lik, kship, and mil also is a mil. You can see the dhatu kosha. The mil is got two dhatus are there. Sixth gana. You can check here. Sangame one meaning, and Shleshane also is there.
Both in Parasmaipadi.
Both in Parasmaipadi.
No, then just check that the mil Sangame, it is Ubepadi. It is Ubepadi dhatu. Mil Sangame, it is sixth gana Ubepadi. To join, to unite, Melanam. And mil Shleshane, to join, to meet, meeting. It's called Melanam. Sammelanam, it's meeting. It's sixth gana Parasmipadi. So it is in the sense of Sangame or Shleshane. So it is Parasmipadi, and in sense of Sangame, it is Ubepadi also. Okay. So you can. So milati, milataha, milanti. Or milate, milete, milante. Simple. Mil plus a plus t. So you can, depending on the meaning, what it is, you can write a form. Then dish dhatu. This also we saw in the last class. I gave this dhatu. Dish means dishati. This is ubepadi dhatu.
Ati sanchani.
To point.
What is the English meaning?
To point.
To point out, to show, or to
Yeah.
grant.
Dish, the direction, directing. Nirdeshakaha, director. From this dhatu only. Dish. Dishati, dishate, it's ubepadi. You can mark it. It is ubepadi. Dishati, dishataha, dishanti. Dishate, dishete, dishante. Okay. Then utupada dhatu. These dhatus are enough for utupada. Then utupada dhatu. You all understand what upada is, right? Upada is penultimate. Upada is a technical name. Upada means penultimate, last but one. Then utupada dhatu, giving the upadeshika dhatu, nud dhatu. Nud dhatu, can check nud. What will happen to nud?
Nakara will become.
Nakara will come.
Murdanya nakara.
Akara will become dantavya nakara.
Dantavya nakara.
Upadeshika dhatu, beginning with murdhanya nakara, murdhanya shakara, will become dantya nakara, and dantya, sakara respectively. This is a rule. So nud is there, it will become nud. What is the meaning? You can check. This Ubhayapadi. Ubhayapadi dhatu. Nudati, nudataha, nudanti. Nudate, nudete, nudante. Prerane is there. English meaning is
To push.
that is to push, to inspire, to tell. In that meaning, it is there. It is also I think it will be there in the nud. It's in 2 times. It's okay. It's prerane. Then the next one, lub dhatu. This we know. What is lub? Vimohane. Lub is vimohane. This is parasmay dhatu, lubati. It will not become lobati. Okay, it is lubati. Lubati, lubataha, lubanti. What is the meaning? Lub dhatu, you can check the meaning.
To confound or to be bewildered.
Sorry, it's not clear. Voice breaking.
To
Lub.
confound and to be bewildered.
Confound. Vimohane. Moha. Moha means confusion, perplex. Mohane, vimohane. Okay. Fine. And 4th one also we saw it in the same dhatu. There it is lubhyati. Lubhyati or lubhyate. Then this is lub dhatu. The next one is spur dhatu. Spur. Spurati. Right? Spurati. Sanchalane. The meaning is sanchalane. Spurati. Artha spuranam. We say artha spuranam. The meaning is clear. Spur dhatu. Sanchalane. Spurati. It's parasmay dhatu. Spurati. Spurataha. Spuranti. Formal. We can check the meaning. What is the English meaning given? Any one of you can tell me. Spur. Sanchalane.
Purane.
Sorry?
Purane irukku.
Purane.
Yeah, to throb, to flash.
No, the sanchalane will be there.
Sanchalane.
Spur. It is come to know. That is purati, arthaspuranam. That is why I said arthaspuranam. The meaning is clear. Arthaspuranam. Okay. Then the next one is rit upada dhatu. Rit upada dhatu. These dhatus you can try to derive the form, adding this gana vikrana pratyaya and all, and also do for lot and all the 4 lakaras. Lat, lang, lot and ling. Then rit upada dhatu. Upada is rit. Example, srij. Srij dhatu. Sarge, to create. Srijati, it is parasmay padi. Srijati, srijataha, srijanti in lat lakara. Then the next dhatu. Then sprish dhatu. Sprish dhatu. Sprish. Sansparshane, to touch. Sprish. What will you form? Sprish dhatu.
Sparsha.
Not sparsh. Sprishati.
Sprishati, sprishati.
Sprishati, because no guna will happen. If guna happens, pro will become spar. Sparshanam. Sparshanam is different. There are different pratyaya is added. Sparshanam. But Kriyapadam is sprishati only. Sprish plus a plus t. Just joining. No guna will happen. What is the penalty made? Penalty made is r. If guna happens, r will become.
Ar.
But will guna happen?
No.
No. Therefore, nothing will happen. Therefore, sprishati, sprishataha, sprishanti. This confusion will come. If it is first gana, fine, but it is not in the first gana, it is in the 6th gana. Therefore, Sprishati only. Then the next dhatu, krish dhatu. Krish. It means this is this plowing the land. So what will be the form? Vilekhane. The meaning is vilekhane. Krish vilekhane. It is ubepadi. So form will be
Krishati, krishate.
yeah, krishati, krishate. Both forms are there. Okay. Then shesha dhatavaha. That is remaining dhatus. Whatever dhatus are there, important dhatus remaining. Some dhatus. Uch dhatu. You can see the meaning. Uch. Ivase. It means to break. Uch dhatu. It is parasmipadi. Will become. Uch will become. Uchchati. Uchchataha. Uchchanti. Then. Then the next one. Rich dhatu. This is also parasmipadi. Rich means the sense of gati, the movement. Gati indriya pralaya murti bhaveshu. So it the sense of going, reaching. Rich dhatu. Brahma nirvanam richati comes in Gita. Brahma nirvanam richati. He gains Brahma nirvanam. Right? Richati richataha richanti. What is its upada? What is its upada?
Takara.
Ru is not upada. Chakara is upada. That's why Shesha Dhata. If Re is upada, it will come under Ritupada Dhatu. Right?
Okay.
Similarly, Uch also. The penultimate is Chakara. So, therefore, Shesha Dhata. Right?
Oh, okay.
It's clear. Okay. Then I asked this question to the other students, I mean, Sangamitra and others. Rich is there, Chakara. Is it Guru or Lagu? Homework. Think and tell me in next class. Rich or which?
Okay.
Guru or Lagu? Lasvam Lagu. Sanyoge Guru. Dirgham Cha. Can check. Okay.
Yes.
Then the next one, then another important set of dhatus in this group. I'll give you that you can note down. There is a, the dhatu pata, you will read this particular, this thing. She muchadina. Iti sutra is that. Panani sutra is that. She muchadina. That is the dhatus which comes under a particular group. Okay. Muchadi Antar Ganaha. Gana means don't worry. Gana means it's a group. Okay. In this Tudadi Gana, the dhatu starting from Much, in the Dhatu Pata, the original text, Panini's Maharish's text, in that, there is a, he has classified, he has grouped some dhatus which begin with Much. So it is called Muchadi. Muchadi is called Muchadi. So dhatu beginning which comes under this subgroup, you can call it as a subgroup. In the Tudadigana, Muchadi is a subgroup. So few dhatus are there, not many, maybe 6-8 dhatus are there. So these dhatus are special dhatus in the sense you will see how the forms will be now. Much dhatu. Much is what? Much is free. You can check the meaning in English meaning. Somebody can check and tell. I'll tell you in Sanskritam. Mokshane. Much is mokshane. That's the meaning. The content of this dhatu. So much is a dhatu. It is muchlu is a dhatu actually. This muchlu is the dhatu. Okay. So it will become munch. How it become munch? Don't ask. It's a rule is that she muchadina. By that num agamas comes the much. It becomes muncha. Muchlu is a dhatu, and it becomes muncha. Now muncha is a dhatu for you. Now we have to conjugate muncha only. If you don't understand muchule, don't worry. Muchule is a dhatu you will find in the dhatu pata. It's a upadeshika dhatu. But applying some rules, the form will become muncha. Now muncha is a dhatu given to you. You have to conjugate that. Okay. What is the English meaning of this dhatu?
To set free, to liberate.
Liberate. Munchati. Moksha. Comes from
Mokshane,
this.
yeah.
Yes. That's why vimokshane. The dhatu is vimokshane. Mokshane. So muncha is a dhatu. It's obepadi. So what will be the form now?
Munchati, munjate.
Munchati, munchate. Munchati, munchate. Similarly, another dhatu. Shich, shicha. Shicha. Ksharane. It is, what will happen now? Let us see. What will happen to shich now? Shicha. Shicha is the upadeshika dhatu. What will happen?
Akara will come.
Sakara.
Sinch.
Becomes sich. And this particular gana, therefore it will becomes sinj. You get the form sinj. Sinj is a dhatu. Okay, sinch is a dhatu. So now what will be the form? Sinchati.
Sinchati, sinchate.
Sinchati, sinchati. All these are ubepadi. Okay. Sinchati means what? Sprinkle.
Sprinkle.
Parisheshanam. Right? Parisheshanam. Just sheshanam. That from this dhatu only. Parisheshanam is you do the parisheshana before eating. That's parisheshanam. Or abhisheka. Abhisheka. Abhisheka is what? Sprinkling water. That's what shich dhatu. This dhatu only. Abhisheka. That word comes from this dhatu. Abhisheka. Pattabhisheka. Sich dhatu. Sich means to sprinkle. In Mundaka Upanishad also it comes. Taman Yoshitayam Sinchati. It comes in Mundaka Upanishad. Sinch dhatu is there. Okay. So for you, the dhatu is muncha, sincha. That's all. Munch or sinch. Let me make it munch or sinch. So this is the dhatu. So you have to conjugate. How from the upadeshika dhatu it is derived? I'm just telling you. Okay. Then the next one is vidlu dhatu. You can note. Vidlu. With already we saw in this gana. Vidlu. In 5 ganas this dhatu is there. Vidlu. You go and see. This is an important thing. I'll show you the dhatu kosha. The dhatu kosha already I have sent you. It is in the OneDrive link. You can download this from the OneDrive link. So you can check this with dhatu. It is in 5 ganas. As you can see, with jnane, second gana, parasmepari dhatu, with.
Labhe.
And vida sattayam, 4th gana visa. Vidyate nasato, vidyate bhavaha, there visa that vidyate. 4th gana also it is there. And in the 7th gana also with is there. In 7th gana also with vicharane. The meanings are different. In all the gana, the meanings are different. And the 10th gana also with is there. And in the 6th gana, with the content is with only. Even though the dhatu is with the content of the dhatu is with. So, how many ganas are there? The with is there, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the 6th gana, the meaning is to find. Indate prajapatyagam rajaspoosham gaupatyam tato mritatvamashnute tato mritatvamashnutahiti. Have you heard this somewhere? Ganeshji?
Taitriyam.
No, not Taitriyam.
Can't recollect.
Narayana.
Narayana Upanishad. Indate prajapatyagam rajaspoosham gaupatyam. You've seen that. First two Upanishad we learned chanting. So with the same dhatu is there. With the labe, to gain, to find. So that is the dhatu we are talking about here. With the so with the becomes lu is the ith letter. So you get with. And with will become wind. Nakara. In all this dhatu, what happens is this you will see the Anunasika letter will be there in between these two letters. Munch, that nya has come, and sinch between shich and yakara has come. Similarly here, wind, nakara has come. So it means something have come, some Anunasika letters have come in between. So wind is the dhatu given to you. Now dhatu is wind. Even though in the dhatu kosha you will read it as with, but what will happen to with this by applying some rules? That rule is not required. You get wind. Now wind is a dhatu. The form will be vindati.
Vindate.
Vindate. It is ubhayapadi. So you need to remember only this dhatu. Much is a dhatu you need to remember. Munch. Similarly, sinch is dhatu you need to remember. And similarly, wind. Okay. The other on the left hand side, what is there? You can know it. Otherwise, no problem. Even if you don't know now at this stage, it doesn't matter. But munch, sinch, wind. These are the forms dhatu. Then kid. You can see kid, parighate, broken. That is out of pain. The person is broken. Kid. So that also the form will become kid is a dhatu. Kind. Kindati and kindate also. Ubhayapadi.
But given only Parasmay.
It is Ubhayapadi. You can mark it.
Oh.
There are some mistakes in the dhatu kosha. Parighate, it is Ubhayapadi. Then Kriti dhatu. What will happen? You can guess. Kriti will be everywhere in the Anunasika letter come in between the two letters. What will happen here? Krint. Krint is a dhatu. Krint means what? To cut. Chedane. Kartari comes from this dhatu. Kartari means scissor. Krit. So krint is krintati. Krintataha krintati. It is Parasmay-padi. It is Parasmay-padi. And two more dhatus are there. Then lip. Lip is a dhatu. Lip is what? You can check. Lipa is the dhatu. Upadeshika dhatu. Upadehe. Lip is namam limpanti karmani. It comes in Gita. Limpate is that which tainting. Upadehe. So the limp, makara comes in between. Limp, and it's ubhayapadi. So limpati, limpate. What is the English meaning of the dhatu limp? Sixth gana?
To stain, to cover, to anoint.
Yeah. To stain. Namam limpanti karmani comes in Gita. So karma na limpanti. So to taint, to anoint. Limp dhatu. Lip becomes limp. So limp is a dhatu you need to remember. Then the next one is lup. Luplu dhatu. Luplu, that lu is ith letter. So the form will, the content of this dhatu is lup is a dhatu. And lup will become lump. Yeah. It becomes lump. It is ubhayapadi. Lump means chedane, to cut. That's the meaning. Lump. So these dhatus are important dhatus which are in the sixth gana, starting from much. That is why this is called muchadi gana, subgroup. Muchadi subgroup. Beginning with much, therefore it is called muchadi. Munch, sinch, wind, kind, krint, limp, lump. And anything is one more is there?
Pisha.
Sorry?
Pisha is Pisha dhatu.
That's sich, yeah, sich. Sinch. I'm reading only this form. Munch, sinch, wind, kind, krint, limp, and lump. So
one more is there.
One more is there. Yeah, pisha is there. Pishati, yes. Yeah. Pishtasya. That is, pishati is to break it into parts. Pish dhatu. And that dot is not much used. That's why I'm not giving that. Yes, I'm giving some only the popular or famous dhatus. Okay. So this with this sixth gana is done. With this sixth gana is done, and from next class we will see. Next class we will see the 10th gana. So any doubt in the sixth gana? Yes, no?
Sharanji, last class you had mentioned about ish dhatu becoming ichati.
Yes, right. So that is.
How is that done? I'm not clear.
Okay, okay, I'll tell you that. Those are Vishesha Dhatus. I need to mention that. So I've covered that. Okay, with this, up to this is one thing. Then Vishesha Dhatu. Thanks for reminding that. Vishesha Dhatavaha. Vishesha Dhatu is special Dhatu. They say it is a irregular. It's not irregular or irregular. It is special dhatu. Special means the forms will be changing. That's why it's called the Vishesha dhatu. Okay. So I give you this some Vishesha dhatu. I give you the dhatu. You can check the meaning. Mrang dhatu. Pranatyage. Pranatyage mru dhatu. So you can tell the meaning. Mriv is to die. Pranatyage. Okay. You can check the meaning. Bring pranatyage. That will become, the form will become Mriya. It will become Mriya. And it's an Atmanipadi dhatu. So become the form will be now
Mriyate.
Mriyate, Mriyate, Mriyante. Nachayate, Mriyate va kadachit. Right? So it is for the sixth gana. Tudadi gana. Mrung dhatu. I'm giving some important dhatu. Similarly, Drung dhatu. Drung. Drung will become Driya. Adriyate, to respect. That meaning becomes Driya. This is also Atmanipadi. Driyate, Driyate, Driyante. Driyase, Driyate, Driyadveti. Atmanipadi dhatu. So Mriyate and Driyate and important dhatu. Kru dhatu. Kru. Vikshepe, to throw. Kru is Vikshepe, to throw. This form will become Kira. How Kira it happened, that is out of scope. Don't worry about that. You need to know only Kira. Kira is a form of the Upadeshika dhatu. Kru. Some rules are applied. Kru becomes Kira. And after that, Kira can be can decline. It is Parasmipadi dhatu. So Kirati, Kirataha, Kiranti. Kirasi, Kirataha, Kirata. In Mundakopanishad, this comes Kirati iti. So Kirati, Kirataha, Kiranti. So the first one is Mriya. Mriyate, Mriyate, Mriyante. Driya, Driyate, Driyate, Driyante. This is Parasmipadi. Kirati, Kirataha, Kiranti. And some more Vishesha dhatus are there. Gru dhatu. Gru. This also means Nigarane. You can check the meaning. Nigarane means, I think, to vomit. Gru. One of you can check the meaning in the Dhatu Kosha.
Swallow, to emit.
Yeah, to emit. To swallow and emit. Girati. So the form will be Gira. It is Parasmipadi. So it becomes Girati, Girataha, Giranti. The next one, important, very important dhatu. If I type the dhatu, you would be able to say what is that. Shadla dhatu. Where do you see this dhatu?
Upadesh.
Upadesh.
Upadesh?
Oh, Upanishad. Sorry.
Upanishadam. Not Upanishadam.
Upanishad. Vishrana Gati Avasadhaneshu Siddh. The Shadla dhatu. That form will become Sad. Right? Sad,
Yes.
Sad is a form. Sad is the the form after removing the letter and applying the shatva and all. And this sad will become, when you do it in latlakara, sad will become seed. Seeda. In lat, the form will be seeda. In lat, the form will become seeda. Not only in lat, in other lakaras also, the form will become seeda. Seedati. Okay. Seedati, visharanagati, avasadhaneshu. And also it is in the meaning of to sit also. That meaning also it is there. Seeda. Okay. Important dhatu. It is parasmaipadi dhatu. Seedati. Visharanagati, avasadhaneshu. It is given. The dhatu pata. Then, now, what? Yeah, Sundari has. Isha. Isha is a dhatu. Isha is ichayam. Isha, ichayam. So what will happen to this dhatu is, this will become ich dhatu. For all the sarvadhatu kalakaras, the form will be the form will be ich. For other lakaras, when it changes, I'll tell you. Don't worry about it now. Only the sarvadhatu kalakara, that is lat, lam, lot, and ling. This will be the form. Sida is a sidati. Then if it is a ling, side. You can make it like that. Simple. Ich, ish also. Ich is ichati, ichataha, ichanti. And in ling will become iche. Or lot, ichat, ichatu. Like that it will become. So ish become ich. How it becomes, don't worry about it now. It becomes, that's all. Then, all these are Vishesha Dhatu. That is why is given like this. Then the next one, O plus G. Well, Dhatu looks something very peculiar, but O is the ith letter. The content of this Dhatu is, O will become, O is ith, and G, that E also is. The content is Laj, and the Laj also will become Laj. Laj is a dhatu. So it is lajjate, lajjete, lajjante. It is atmanipadi. It means to shy, to feel shy. That is the meaning. Lajja comes from this dhatu. Okay. Then another dhatu. Tumas jo. Here also, tu is the ith letter and O is the ith letter. The content is masj is the content, and masj also will become maj. Majja. Maj is a dhatu. Majjati. Majjataha. Majjanti. Majjati means clean. Maj dhatu. Shuddhau. It is shuddhau. Clean. That's the meaning. Majjati, majjataha, majjanti, majjasi, majjataha, majjata, majjami, majjavaha, majjamaha. It is parasmaipadi. Okay. Then the next one, O vrischu. Here also, O is the ith letter. Ith letter means you don't have to consider. It's for some purpose, some packing. O is ith. Chu, U is ith. Therefore, content is only vrish. And that vrish also will become, when you decline, it will become vrist. And here for our here it will become, it is vrist only. Vrishcha, vrish is a dhatu. It becomes vrishcha, and vrishcha become vrish. Okay, vrishcha become vrish. So you can remember vrish. It is parasmaipadi. So vrishchati, vrishchataha, vrishchanti. The meaning is to cut, chedane. From this dhatu only the word vriksha comes, because it is fit to be cut. It is fit to be cut. That is why it is called vriksha. It is fit, yogyaha. It is fit to be cut, fit to be fell upon, fit to be fell. Therefore, that is why it is called vrikshaha, vrishchadatu. From that only you get vrikshaha. Some pratyaya is krit pratyaya is added. Then the next one, prach dhatu. Prach means to ask. Nipsayam, to inquire, to ask. That is a meaning of prach. And prach will become
Pritchard.
prich. So when we teach in the beginning, we give only this. We don't tell prach and all. Upadeshika dhatus we don't tell. But now we can know the Upadeshika dhatu. Because you have Dhatu Kosha, you can check also what is the Upadeshika dhatu. Find out the ith letters. Only that much. Importance of ith letters, that we will see later. So these forms you can know. Prich, vrish, and maj, laj, ich, seed. All these things you can know. And this is also prich also parasmipadi. So prichati, prichataha, prichanti, iti. Then the next one is brasht dhatu. Brasht, pake. Pake means to cook. So the form will become bridge. So this is brijati, brijati, it ubepadi. Brijati, brijataha, brijanti, brijate, brijete, brijante. It is ubepadi. Okay. These are the important Vishesha dhatus. So you can note this. I'll put everything this in a table column and maybe send you later. But now you can note this. I hope all of you are writing. Are you writing?
Yes, yes, Sharanji.
These are important dhatus. So you can note. With this sixth gana, if you remember this much dhatus from the sixth gana, it is enough. We will be using only this much. We won't be using other dhatus much in the never usage in the language. So this much is enough. So I can copy this and send you for time being through to WhatsApp, but later in a table column and send you. So starting from here. Okay, all these are Tudadigana. I'm just sending as it is to WhatsApp. I'll send you maybe later. Okay, I'll send you later. Any doubt in this? Now you have to do homework. You have to try this dhatus in all the possible lakaras. You can try what will the form. Now you can see in the next lesson what we are going to see in this book, and we will see this sixth gana dhatus. Now you can read, each one of you can read three dhatus, starting from Sundarji. You can read this, just read the dhatu.
One vocabulary, krish, krishati.
We saw this dhatu just now, right?
Yeah.
We saw this dhatu, krish dhatu, means to plow. Sanskrit meaning also we saw krish. Krish is to plow. What is the Sanskrit the meaning? It is rikaranta, rit upada dhatu. It is rit upada dhatu, and this is the one. Samskrita meaning is vilekhane, to plow. Vilekhane. Lik means to write. Vilekhane means to cut, to plow. That's the meaning. Vilekhane. Yeah. Continue.
Next. Ship. Shipati. To throw.
So in when you read the dhatu, you can see ship plus a plus t. Shipati. Krish plus a plus t. Krishati. The conjugate, it is the Ganavikrana I is added in the form. Continue.
Tudati, to strike.
Good. Yes.
Dishati, to show.
Yes.
Likati, to write.
Okay. Next question. Ganesh, you can read next 5 dhatus.
Likati, to write. Vish, vishati, to enter. Srij, srijati, to create. Sprish, sprishati, to touch. Krit, krintati, to cut.
We saw just now krintati. The subgroup, this krit dhatu, which is in the subgroup of Tudadigana, right? Next one, you can read Ganesh. Next one also.
Much, munchati, to release.
Yes, just now we saw much. Much is the subgroup. The subgroup beginning with this dhatu, much dhatu. Munchati becomes muncha. So muncha is the dhatu you need to remember. Okay, next person. Sumati ji.
Yeah. Lup, lumpati, to break. Lip, limpati, to anoint. With, vindati, to find. Sich, sinchati, to sprinkle. Ish, ichchati, to wish.
Okay, next person. Kameshwar ji. Is my voice clear? Can you hear me?
Yeah, it's very clear today.
Okay, but when you read, I mean, Ganesh ji and Sundar ji, that there was some break in their voice. Is it only for me or for all of you?
No,
it was clear. It was clear for us.
No, not my voice. I mean, from the voice of.
Their voice also.
No, their voice also was very clear.
Okay.
Prachati, to ask. Hasati, to laugh. Hwayati, to call.
Achha, only that much. That is Anilangha is, these are the Namapada. Okay. The Has also is there, Hasati. That also can be added. Hwe is to call. Hwayati or Ha-hwayati.
Ha-hwayati.
We say Ha-hwayati. So these are the 6th Gana dhatus. Now from this lesson, the last is the sentences are there. Translate into English and Sanskritam. You can try take this as homework. Then take it as homework. Can we do for another 10-5 minutes? Yes? If you can say yes, we'll do. Okay. Then Kameshwar ji, you can do the reading and translation. Translate the following into English.
Okay. Sukhamichami.
Yes.
That is, we wish for pleasure.
Wish for pleasure. What is the translation of the sentence? Sukham
ichami. Desire for?
Desire.
Sukham.
I desire. I want sukham.
Aham.
Aham sukham ichami.
Ichami. I want, I desire.
I wish sukham. I wish happiness.
I wish.
Next sentence you can read.
Viraya kusumani yachati nripaha. Yachati is kriya padam. So he gives nripaha, and a king gives vira. Okay, to the soldiers or to.
Yachati. Kaha yachati.
Nripaha yachati.
Kani yachati.
Kusumani.
Kasmai yachati.
Viraya.
That's all. Now you translate.
Yeah, king gives flowers to the soldiers.
To the soldier, to the Veera, to the valorous person.
Yeah, to the
right?
soldier. Yeah.
Next person can read the next two sentences, Krishnanji. So in this exercise, you will find the sentences will use 6th Gana dhatu, Udadi Gana dhatus. Okay, yeah.
Shrigalah balam dashati. Dashati is a kriyapadam. Kaha dashati, Shrigalah dashati. Kam dashati, balam dashati. So Jackal finds the boy.
Shigalaha balam damshati, I think it must be damshati. The dot is missing.
A dot is missing.
Damshati to bite.
Okay.
I think that damshati maybe. Okay. Some dhatus have not covered. Okay. Some are already covered. So yachati, this gana yachati.
Damshati is 10th gana.
Damshati and 10th gana.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe I have to check. Not 10th gana. Okay. Fine. Next one you can read. I'll check.
Karabyam jalam sprashasi. Sprashasi is the dhatu. So tvam sprashasi. So you touch water with your hand.
2 hands.
2 hands.
Next person. Next question.
Yeah. Bharena dasah shamyati. Shamyati is the kriyapadam. Dasah kaha kshamyati, dasah kshamyati,
Sramyati.
Shramyati only, tired. Shramyati. Servant is tired
tired. Okay.
Due to the weight.
Aram.
Okay, this dhatus from all the first gana and fourth gana, sixth gana, everything is mixed up. It's not only sixth gana. Okay, if you find sixth gana dhatus, you can identify, but all the dhatus are mixed up given this exercise. Next sentence you can read.
Yeah, anu tiram hamsash chalati. Chalati is the kriya padam. Kaha chalati, hamsaha chalati. Anu tiram இது வந்து உபபத.
Yes.
Anu tiram. Upapad vibhakti.
Anu tiram hamsaha chalati. Yes. Next person. Lataji.
जनैः सह गृहं गच्छामि. अहं गच्छामि. With people, with the two people, I go to the house. Come get.
I go to the house with the people. Okay.
With the people.
Next one.
जनैः सह गृहं. भूषणैस्तुष्यति नरः. Bhushanai, with the ornaments, naraha tushyati.
Please. Tushyati, naraha tushyati, kaihi bhushanaihi.
Bhushanaihi.
Okay, back to the first person. Sundarji, you can read the next two sentences.
Shariram limpataha.
Yes.
Limpataha means?
Yes. Limp, to anoint. Limp, we saw just now, limp dhatu, which is in the subgroup.
Okay.
So what is limpataha? Which purusha, which vachana? Madhyama purusha?
Limpataha. Madhyama purusha.
Dvi. Dvi vachana.
Limpataha, limpataha. Dvi vachana.
So you too anoint the body.
Okay.
Shariram limzi karma. Limpataha is the
karma.
So we know the subject who is the karta. You too. Yuvam. Yuvam shariram limpataha. You too anoint the shariram.
Okay.
Next sentence.
Jalena vina kamalani na rohanti. Yeah, vina is the upapada vibhakti.
Vina is upapadam. Jala is Tritiya. Why? Because of Vina, Upapada.
Lotuses do not grow without water.
Yes. Next person, Ganesh ji.
Karena dasam tudati. Kriyapadam is tudasi.
Yes.
So tudasi is
okay. Tudasi means you strike.
Strike.
You hit.
From tudasi. So Karena dasam. Dasam is
Sevaka, servant.
Sevaka, servant. Karena with the hand. So you strike the servant with the hand.
Yes. Next one.
Ratnani vindati.
Yes.
Kriyapadam is vindati.
Vindati. We saw Vidilu dhatu.
Find
attain.
out.
To get. Attain. Get. Ratnani vindati. Kaha? Saha. Somebody.
You have to supply saha. Saha ratnani vindati.
Yeah. He gets ratnams.
Gems.
Next person, Sumati ji.
Yeah. Jalena kusumani sinjamaha.
Yes.
Vayam sinjamaha. That is, you sprinkle the flowers with water.
Yeah.
Then anilo vrikshan lumpati.
Yes.
Anilo is wind.
Anilaha.
Anila, wind, is it?
Yes.
Anilaha.
Shakes. Lumpati. Shaking, right?
shaking. So trees are shaking due to wind.
Tree, no. Wind shakes the tree.
Shakes the tree. Okay. Wind shakes the
Trees.
tree.
Next person.
Then
Kameshwari.
Trinena gajan pushyami. Pushyami aham.
Aham pushyami.
Aham pushyami. Aham gajan trini. So trinena means for grass.
Not for by not for by with grass.
No, with grass.
I nourish the I nourish the elephants with grass.
With grass. Okay. Acharena balam nindati. Nindati is kriya padam. Acharena teacher.
Balam, okay. Kaha nindati, somebody. Saha nindati.
Okay, saha.
He criticizes, he abuses, he scolds. Whom does he scold? Balam, the boy.
Balam.
Why? Due to
his conduct.
It means conduct is not good. Achara is the reason, the hetu, for for the person to scold the boy. Next person. After Kameshwari. Yeah.
Chandra balebhyo dishanti. Chandram balebhyo dishanti. Dishanti is a kriya padam. Kahi dishanti, is it balebhya?
Sorry?
Balebhya dishanti.
Balebhya, okay. Balebhya, what vibhakti is?
Balebhya is...
Okay, we'll come to that Balebhya later. Dishanti, who is a karta?
Dishanti is a kriya padam.
Karta is? Karta is not here. We have to supply. Okay.
So te dishanti.
Te dishanti. They show. They show. What do they show?
Chandram dishanti.
Chandra is karma, therefore Chandram. To whom?
To Tritiya, to Balebhya.
Not Tritiya, it is Chaturthi.
To fourth, okay. Sampradhanam, Balebhya.
Balebhya. So, they show the moon to two boys. Two boys. Next one.
Two boys, right? Two boys to Balebhyam, right?
Sorry, not two boys. To the boys. To the boys. Okay.
Yes.
Balebhyo Sandhi has happened.
Yeah. Next one is Annaya Griham Gachami. Aham Gachami. So I go to home for food.
Yes. So purpose of going to house is to eat. Therefore, Annaya. Sampradana. Next one. Ramaji.
Yeah. Hamsau Hradam Vishataha. Vishataha is the kriya padam. Kau Vishataha, Hamsau Vishataha. Kutra Vishataha Hradam.
Yeah.
Hradam is a pool, Sharanji. What is that?
Pond. Hradam is a pond. So Hamsa, two Hamsas, two swans enter the pond.
Okay. Then
yeah.
Prasadam Nikasha Viro Vasati. Viraha, sorry, Vasati is the kriyapadam. Kaha Vasati, Viraha Vasati.
Kutra Vasati.
Kutra Vasati, Prasadam Nikasha. So near the palace, so it is Upapada Vibhakti.
Yes. Prasadam is Dvitiya Vibhakti because of Nikasha. Near the palace, Viraha Vasati. Next person, Lataji.
Indanaya Dasaha. Dasa.
Dasaha, it's correct only. Visarga.
Dasaha Vruksham Kruntanti.
Dasaha, Visarga is not there because of Sandhi.
Okay. Indanaya Dasaha Vruksham Kruntanti. Dasaha Kruntanti. For the fuel, the servant cuts the tree.
Vriksha, tree. Yes. We saw Kriti Dhatu.
Right.
So that becomes Krantati, Krantanti. Indana is fuel. So Indanaya, Sampradana, for fuel. Dasaha, Karta, Vriksha, Karma. Therefore, Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay, next one, 22.
Sukhena Naro Nruchyante.
Nrityati.
Nruchati. Naraha nruchati. Sukhena for pleasure.
Not
He
for
dances.
pleasure. They dance. They are happy. They dance. Sukhena. They dance
Nruchati.
happily. Sukhena is adverbial. Okay, not tritiya. Adverbial. They dance. Or you can make it into a hetu also. Because of happiness.
Because of happiness.
Naraha nrityati. The
Naraha
person
nrityati.
dances. It depends on the context. Naraha sukhena nrityanti. He dances happily also you can translate. Or sukhena, if you take it as a tritiya vibhakti, then as hetu, the
To
hetu
get
for
pleasure, he
dancing,
dances. Yeah.
out of pleasure, out of happiness.
Out of
Because he is happy, he dances. Next person.
Okay.
Sundarji can read.
Sorry.
23.
Deshaya,
Yeah.
Deshaya, Viro, Griham, Tyajati. So, Deshaya, Viraha, Griham, Tyajati. The warrior leaves his house for the sake of nation.
Yes.
Acharaha, Sukam, Srujati.
Yeah.
Discipline gives happiness.
Yeah. Srujati
Gives
to
rise to.
create.
Srujati is
create, to produce.
Creates. Yeah. Gives rise to. Or
yes. Yes. Gives rise to sukam, happiness. Acharaha sukam srujati. Sukam is karma. Acharaha is the subject. Next person. Ganesh.
Dasam prichati naraha. Prichati is the kriya padam. Naraha prichati. So kim prichati dasam. So
Prichati. Which
the
gana
person,
is that? Which gana dhatu is? Which is no Prach dhatu. Sixth gana. Prach is a dhatu becomes prichati. Okay.
So the person asks the servant.
Yes. Next person.
Dukkena ratnani kshipavaha.
Yes.
So kshipavaha is the kriya padam, to throw. So we will
V2 will
throw
throw the gems.
Throw the gems
Because of
sorrow.
Out of sorrow, pain. Yes. Dukkena is tritiya vibhakti. It's a hetu. The reason. The karanam for throwing the gems. Next person. Sumati ji.
Yeah. Kapotan munchatah. So it is munchatah is a kriyapadam. It's Madhyama Purusha Dvivachanam. So yuvam kapotan munchatah. That is you to release the pigeons.
Okay.
Then karena likami. So likami is a kriyapadam, which is Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam. So aham karena likami. So I write with my hand.
Next person. Kameshwari ji.
Griham abitah krishanti janaha. Krishanti janaha. So people dig
Abitah, near
the house.
Yes.
Viraya namaha. So we salute the soldiers.
Yes.
Alam danena. Alam danena.
Alam governs tritiya vibhakti, which we have not seen. We'll see. Alam means enough. Enough
of money. Well.
Then the next one is into Sanskritam. You can take this as homework. You can try this. You can the same way. The Sanskrit sentence is what you read now. It will be in the same way. You can easily do. It's not a difficult exercise. So you can take this as homework. Some 23 sentences are there. You can try this. We will do the exercise in the class. So you can take this as homework. So we'll stop here. I thought of introducing that Sandhi, but we didn't get time. We spent some time on Todadigana, and anyway, Todadigana is done. So Bhuvadigana and Divadigana and Todadigana, 3 ganas we have done. So Churadigana we will do. later. So we stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Harihi Om.
Dhanyavad, Sir.